This is a refractor telescope, meaning it has a front lens and no rear mirror. The telescope has a relatively long tube, typical for telescopes with 70 to 102 millimeter aperture, which allows for great views of celestial objects. Advantage: sharp and stable image, especially for observing the moon and planets. This is a Celestron, a well-known and reliable brand, popular among beginners and hobbyists. Models like Power Seeker or First Scope Refractor are standard Celestron series for small to medium telescopes. This is the equatorial mount, EQ, with the counterweight. It allows you to track celestial objects easily by compensating for the Earth's rotation. Advantage: you can manually or motor track objects to keep them centered in the eyepiece. This old wooden tripod is usually very stable, but it's heavy and less portable. This is the Finderscope. It's a small optical scope on the side for locating objects before looking through the main lens. With this telescope, you can see the moon so sharp and clear with all the craters and mountains standing out. It's like you're right there in space. And the reference of Saturn with its clearly visible, Jupiter with its gaudy moons, and Mars. Also spotted some star clusters and a couple of nebulae. Thanks to the refractor optics, we can explore distant landscapes right from here. It's amazing what we can see. Lost an 80 EQ, 90 E, Wonder 2 EQ. To know the exact model, a photo of the orange label on the tube is needed. If you want, I can make a short comparison table of the 80, 90, and 102 models so you can see the advantages of each. A counterweight is attached to the mount shaft to balance the telescope. This helps in tracking objects in the sky more smoothly without the telescope tilting. Its purpose is to prevent the telescope from tipping over and to allow smooth movement. And secure it with the locker screw. Now for the horizontal axis, slide the weight until the telescope stays level and doesn't tip. Vertical axis, adjust the tube so it remains stable without holding it. Check. After balancing, the telescope should move smoothly without force. Tip. Proper balance is essential for easy tracking and smooth motion, especially if using a motor. Your eyepiece is a high magnification lens, 333 Go. This means objects you observe will appear 333 times closer than for viewing planets like Jupiter, Saturn, and Mars. Allows you to see small details like rings, moons, or lunar surface features.